Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to be doing a simple everyday makeup look. So in case you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell right down below so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. So we're gonna get started. So let's put our hair back. I've just been using these nice little hair ties. They look like the old school ones you put on your keys. I actually have one for my keys now, but let's put it up. You can tell that my eyebrows are really red. I just wax them. So if you want to see a video of how I do waxing my eyebrows, just comment down below that you'd like to see it, and I'll have a video of that. It'll be a few weeks so eyebrow hair can grow out, but yeah, so we'll get started with this video. I'm gonna start out with the CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow. I haven't tried this one before, so we'll try this. And we're gonna use this as a nice primer. So we're just gonna put it on. I'm gonna put on a little bit on the chin, a little bit on the forehead. And this one's not like a normal primer where I only put normal primers just on like this area. This one is like an all over glow. So I'm gonna use a beauty blender just to blend this all out, and if you can see, it just gives like a nice little shimmer. And I'm breaking out like crazy, like here, my forehead. Oh, it's crazy. It has like a very weird smell. It's like a wheat smell almost. It's kind of weird. But, so this look you can do with you can just do with any primer, any foundation you like. Just a quick look for every day. Okay, so next up we're gonna try the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. So I got this at Walmart, and my Walmart did not have like most of the top colors, so like the lighter colors. So this was like the last one of this color, and I tried to match it up as best as I could with the L'Oreal Infallible. So you can kind of see they're very similar colors, and I know for sure this is my shade. So hopefully, so I'm just gonna squirt a little in the beauty blender. Oh, it's liquidy. Not that much, so we'll see how much we need. If we need to add more, we can. And this has sunscreen in it, so I got this one specifically for the summer, just so that I can have some sunscreen on my face, especially if I go to the pool or something and lay out. I want to have a makeup sunscreen foundation one so that it works. So this says breathable, buildable coverage, so I'm guessing it's going to be more of a light to medium coverage that you can build up to full coverage if you would like, but I'm probably gonna go more for like a medium coverage today. Don't need to do too much, so. But this is covering really good. Even a little pimple. It's looking pretty nice. I like it. Next up, we are going to use the CoverGirl, not the Cover. Next up, we are going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 18. So I'm not doing a super bright eye today. If I was, I would use the Light 16. It's a little lighter than this. And this concealer is actually really good and goes a long way. Like, I literally dab it in once and it covers the whole face. So, going to just blend this out. So I don't really contour on like a daily basis. It's just not needed, in my opinion. Well, at least I don't like to do it, but I do contour for more when I'm doing like a full face glam look. And I always bring the concealer up my eyelid, and I kind of use it as like an eyeshadow primer, essentially. And I'll set it with the powder that we use. So I really do like this foundation. It's really nice. And this concealer combo, it's looking pretty. Next step, to set the whole face and the under eyes, I use the same powder. I just use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder in the shade Butter. So I really like this packaging, and this is a ton of powder. It has way more than Too Faced or any of those. Just put a little bit into the cap like so. And then I just take a Morphe JH07 brush and take a little bit on, and then just pack it under the eyes. And then I just kind of bring that down, but really packing it as close as you can to that waterline. And then I just take it up on my eyelid. Something in my eye. On the other side. Take it on the nose. I really pack it wherever I put that highlighter, or concealer I should say, to highlight. And then I will take a JH02 brush and I kind of just gently wipe out where that excess powder is. And then I take whatever's in the cap and just dip in the brush and just bring it all around the rest of the face. Next up, we'll do eyeshadow using the Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette. So I'm just going to take a JH32 brush, looks like this, and go into Reveal, which is this shade right here. Just take that in. I'm just going to deepen the crease with this shade. On the other side. You just have that crease nice and deep. And then I'm going to go in with a JH40 brush that looks like this and go into Butt Naked, which is a little darker shade, and we're going to use this on the outer V. And just take it and go pack it onto the outer V. These eyeshadows are so pigmented. And you don't have to have it be like perfect yet. We're gonna go back in with another brush and make it so that it all blends nicely. Pack this color on the outer V. And then I'm going to take a JH33 brush that looks like this and just blend on top right here. And just blend that color in. Take that over here on the other side and do the same thing. Just blend. And then I'm going to take some MAC Fix Plus and take a flat shader brush, so JH41 brush, looks like this. Just spritz it. And then I go in with a little bit of Topless right here. And just take that on the brush and just take that all over the lid. So we're going to do that to the other side. Just take that brush and take it in all over the lid. Just a little bit more. Just have it be really pinky. And then back in with that brush chiffon, the JH33 brush. You're just gonna go in and feather all around, just to smooth out that harsh line, just to blend it. And then I just take a little brush and brush away any excess before I move on. So we're going to take a little flat brush, a JH43 brush, and just take some butt naked on it. Bring it in along the waterline. And then take that JH33 brush again and just smudge it out. Next up, we are going to take a Pretty Vulgar highlighter in Sparkling Sass and just take some of that, and we're going to take that into the inner corner. I just use whatever highlighter I'm going to use on my face. So this is that I'll use on my face and beneath the brow bone. And like you've seen my videos before, I will do my mascara after I do my setting spray. So next up, we are going to do bronzer all over the face. I've really been liking this Too Faced Natural Lush bronzer. It is so pretty. So I'm going to use that all over the face. And then I just swirl it all together. And it has the prettiest picture right here. So just take that in on the cheeks, the temple, and right on the jawline. Do the same thing, other side. Then we are going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in No Vacancy. This is really pretty corally shade. Looks like that on a JH04 brush. I don't know if I told you the brush for the bronzer is a M530 brush. So just take this on the cheek, just run it up on the cheek and just run it over. Looks pretty. So we're gonna go back in with that Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Salon highlighter in shade Sparkling Sass with a JH09 brush for highlight. And then just take a little right here, a little right here, and then down the nose, and on the Cupid's bow. Next up, we will do setting spray. So no matter what, look, it's always the Urban Decay All Liner setting spray. It's the best one. I'm gonna just take it, put it on. Then we are going to take the Laura Lee Los Angeles liquid lipstick in Pouty and Nice. put that along as our color. I really like her liquid lips. They're so nice. There's the liquid lipstick. And then we are going to take the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras, and I personally prefer drugstore mascaras most of the time. They're just as good, but my favorite non-drugstore, like prestige brand or higher end brand, is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So we'll just put some mascara on. Lower lashes. The other side. Let's take the hair out. Oh, I got some little things in my hair. Okay, so that is the completed look. A simple everyday makeup look that you can do with any foundation or any primer you want, and I just love it, and it's just so easy, go to, very little effort. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell right down below so you can see all my future videos. Bye.